Vocabulary work set number 1. Here are some things to remember as you're working through our vocabulary words. Remember, a noun is a word that names a person, a place, or a thing. A verb is a word that expresses action or a state of being. Okay, so they're action words. An adjective, we use these words to describe nouns or pronouns. Okay, they describe people, places, and things. For set number 1, we're going to be going through 10 words. I'm going to read through them. Counsel, demonstrate, drowsy, essential, hardship, pledge, sincere, stampede, suitable, humble. The first word that you're going to work with is counsel. Counsel is a verb, so it shows action. When we counsel someone, okay, we're doing something. Counsel means to give advice or an opinion. It also means to offer help. Some synonyms, words that have the same meaning, are to help, advise, or recommend. What you are going to do now with this word counsel is you're going to complete the yellow portions below. On your screens, you will not have this PowerPoint presented. You will be typing directly into the slides in the yellow portions. So, for the example sentence, you're going to fill in the word counsel. In this box down here below, you are going to write your own sentence. When you are finished with counsel, or when you're finished, when you want to write your sentence, make sure that you pause this video so we don't go on to number 2 without you being done. So there will be a lot of pausing and going back and forth. So example sentence. After we lost a very close game, our coach tried to blank us on how to accept defeat. For this first one, I will walk us through. We are just filling in the blank with the word counsel. Our coach tried to counsel us. They gave us advice. They offered help on how to accept defeat. After you fill in the blank here, you're typing directly on here. It doesn't matter if the lines get messed up. You're going to then write your own sentence using counsel. Okay? Remember, all counsel means is to give advice or to offer help. Pause this video to write your sentence. Number 2 is demonstrate. Demonstrate is also a verb. What demonstrate means is to clearly explain, show, or prove with examples, models, or experiments. Some synonyms to the word demonstrate are to model, illustrate, or reveal. If we look at this picture, this is on an airplane. Okay, and we have our flight attendant here. She's demonstrating what to do if we need to use oxygen. So this is an example of demonstrate. All right, now you're going to complete the yellow portions below. To become a band member, you must blank some musical skill. Again, we are filling in demonstrate up here. So to become a band member, you must demonstrate some musical skill. You need to show. Okay, you need to explain or prove that you know how to play. After you fill in the blank, you are going to use the word demonstrate in a sentence. Type it in here. Number 3 is drowsy. Drowsy is an adjective. It describes a person. It also could describe animals. What drowsy means is when you're ready to fall asleep, you're sleepy. Synonyms: tired, sluggish. This picture obviously shows a picture of someone who's feeling a bit drowsy. So go ahead and complete the yellow portions below. After eating that big dinner, I felt too blank to read. Number 4 is essential. Essential is another adjective, so we describe things with this word. What it means is of the highest importance. So it's very important, and it's also necessary. So things that are essential, they are necessary. Synonyms: vital, key, or basic. Here's an example sentence. Food, water, and shelter are blank to survive. Number 5 is hardship. Hardship is a noun. Okay, it's a thing. Something that causes suffering or difficulty. A lot of times a hardship is a condition that's hard to bear. So it's kind of a negative thing. hardship, something that we go through, we suffer through it. A synonym for hardship is burden and misfortune. Example sentence: the pioneers had to live through many blank in order to survive. Number 6 is pledge. Pledge is a verb. All it means is to promise. So synonyms are to vow or swear. Newlyweds blank to honor each other. Number 7, sincere. Sincere is an adjective, so we use this to describe someone or something. So what it means is it's without pretending. Okay, so you're being real and true. It's with honesty and real feeling. So when we're sincere, we really mean it. Synonyms are genuine, true, heartfelt. They offered a blank apology. Number 8 is stampede. Stampede is a verb. What it means is to run away or cause to scatter in a wild manner, often in panic, to rush forward as a crowd. See the picture. Synonym is to bolt or charge. Example sentence: the fans began to blank towards the stage. Number 9 is suitable. Suitable is an adjective. We use this word to describe something or a person or a place. What suitable means is it's just right, it's appropriate, okay, it makes sense, and it's well matched. So when something's suitable, it's just right and it makes sense. So some synonyms are proper, fitting, and right. Example sentence: I'm going shopping for a blank outfit to wear. And number 10, humble. Humble is an adjective. We use this word to describe people. What humble means is you are not proud or arrogant. Arrogant means stuck up. So you are not any of these things. Okay, you might just be plain. Okay, you don't really, either way, you're not proud and you're not too fancy. Okay, you're kind of humble, you're plain. Some synonyms are modest, simple, or earthy. The family lived in a blank cottage. This is the end of video part 1 for our first set of vocabulary words.